The following is the latest technical analysis in crypto news from Amassers.com.
Okay guys, let's take a really quick look at our crypto screener available at Amassers.com. Right now, hey, I'm telling you right now, this is an opportunity to use this screener for free. I cannot say that that's always going to be the case. We've got a lot of expenses in development put into this screener, but let's just get right to it now, okay? Because I got a couple of things I want to talk about. Flow, you see that cautionary iteration there on the screener where we have extreme unusual activity to the downside. Guys, some deals were coming in with new, well, it was new to me, I'd never heard of the narrative of physicables, which are physical collectibles. Okay, so there's a lot of pep recently on Flow. If you saved these, which I do highly recommend, usually this would be a save button, and that will save your HTML version of this table. And Flow's been pumping. It's been pumping really good, and I think this is a little profit taking, especially this is profit taking on the day when you're seeing just bloodbath, because look at the breadth. We've got 1 green and we've got 43 red. Unusual activity to the downside on this screener / scanner. Okay, so that's all I had to say about that, guys, and I'll take a look at a Bitcoin chart, and I just want to briefly look at Forex also and bring some things to your attention. Okay, let's take a quick look at the Forex market. Let's see what's going on with that de-dollarization. Okay, they are buying silver, selling USD, buying gold, again selling USD. This is concerning because this tells me, based on the real data that we're getting here, there are guys moving back into commodities, and that usually means professionals do this when they are looking for a risk-off environment. Again, these guys buying euro, selling Japanese yen, buying New Zealand dollar, and selling USD, and also buying the Australian dollar, selling USD. These are usually highly correlated pairs right there, New Zealand and Australian. So, that's to be expected. Also, they are down here selling US dollar against that Swiss money. Swiss beats, baby. And they out of here. Okay, so we see a continuation of this theme of de-dollarization, guys. Okay, now let's take a look at Big Daddy Bitcoin. Every week on my Twitter at Trader Alfred, I release this, I call it a market maker zone. This is where I believe the market maker begins the week working in, and there are lots of things you can do with this. You could trade breaks, you could trade inside of the zone, and I know somebody may say, yeah, but Alfred, they broke your zone. Look, they're gonna break everybody's zone eventually. Sometimes to the upside, sometimes to the downside. Okay, but here's an opportunity. If they're trading outside the zone here, what should you be doing here? Buying. Okay, what should you be doing if you get up here? Selling. If you want to do like a professional, if you want to work around this market maker zone, that's what you should be doing. What should you be doing down here? Well, right here. It's the end of the month, guys, and I say this about every month. Expect the unexpected. Look for those surprises at the end of the month. Until I see otherwise, that's how I interpret what happened with this large dip on today. And there was just dips everywhere, pulling liquidity out of the market. That's all we can say about Bitcoin for today. Okay, we're over here on the dollar index. And by the way, if you made it this far in the video, congrats. Because that means you don't want to just rely on a total stranger to have complete and utter control of your money in a system that's systematically set up against you. Okay, This is the dollar index. This is the real value of the dollar relative to other countries, other currencies all around the world. You can see we got up into this weekly statistical resistance and we sold off dramatically. Earlier in this week, I talked about, hey, I don't buy this move that we're seeing back on this little strength in the dollar. And lo and behold, this is a day, this is the next day, and this is that day where you will see people moving into commodities, precious metals, and you can see they're right back down here. This is 97.66. Okay, a dollar should be a dollar, not 97.6 cents. And guess what? When we were up here to about the average swing up, this is like 98.4. Okay, again, a dollar should be a dollar. Nobody's telling you guys this. Guys, once again, this is Alfred for Amassers.com. Like, share, comment, subscribe. See you when I see you. Peace.